There is a need because the current resources, they have a great lack of information about the mooring destinations. Current main resources are of two types, and the most used is a hard copy one, which we call an almanac. This one is usually outdated, it is expensive to buy, and it's has some partial updates which are only made from the author. Nowadays, when we have social network platforms such as Facebook or Foursquare, for instance, we need to have continuous updates of information. So in order to contribute into the ecosystem of our destination within the yachting world, the good thing about our application is that it manages to match the collective intelligence from sailors and also crowdsourcing from the sailing community with the social network aspect. So this is the need. The need is we have outdated information. From the app, the main source of information, there are two types of information. The first one is a mooring locator. It will help you within a range to find your ideal mooring spot within a specific range and given your positioning. Secondly, on the basis of exchanging of information, it will allow you to read reviews, read ratings from other users from the same community, and make your choice and find the destination that suits better your profile. The market right now, the potential users are approximately 350 million users of coastal sailors per annum, with Europe being the main market. However, what's more important to stress is the potential growth. The potential growth within the next 5 to 10 years. And why so? Because most of the users now, they use mobile applications, and they're very familiar with the use of smartphones and tablets, which is widespread on board. If you go on the chart table of a vessel, what you're going to see, it's at least 2 or 3 smartphones and tablets being charged on the 12-volt plug. So we do have the hardware, we do have the willingness of the users to use them. What we're missing right now is a smart application that will allow the users to communicate on a real-time basis and exchange experiences about their sailing holidays and destinations. One main feature of our applications is the mooring locator. So the mooring locator will tell you with great accuracy that we do not have nowadays with the current GPS system, the virtual berths available within a port. And this information will be transmitted into our system and will show to the user if there is availability or not, if there is congestion or not within a mooring place, whether this is a port, an organized marina, or simply a large bay for mooring. Well, two things are very important when someone goes sailing. First of all is the positioning. So there is where Galileo contributes. It's very important to have accurate positioning, both of where we are and also if we are within a port to dictate for the other berths if they are free or not. So positioning is very important. And the second thing is the flow of information, communication between online users, something that does not exist within this niche market, and communication is very important. It is communication that creates value for the ecosystem of the yachting. We need to exchange information between online users, put inputs, updates, reviews, and ratings, and this will create value within the system.